I have a new Tesla Giga Berlin update. Leveling work that has started last week is progressing and Rubble mountain is almost gone. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 footages from the Tesla Giga Berlin taken today, Monday, March 16, by our friends. What has changed in the past week? First of all, the Rubble mountain about which we have reported before and which stands in the middle of the Giga Berlin construction site is only a shadow of itself. It does not deserve even to be named Rubble Mountain anymore, writes our friend Jürgen from the Berlin, who sends these video reports for Torque News subscribers and viewers. Only about 30% of the Rubble mountain is left, which will be gone probably this week in the second In the second footage, you will also see that the leveling work of the Giga Berlin's construction site in the northern part is progressing so well. It's a beautiful video. You can clearly see the excavation storage bucket. It's very visible. And in the third video, you will see how the 3-day without sun has turned the Tesla Gigafactory 4 construction zone into a dust field. This is our weak human nature, you know. First we were complaining last week that it was raining and it's difficult to report, and the Giga Berlin workers, it's difficult for the Giga Berlin workers to work. Now we seem to be complaining that today on March 16, it's the 3rd day without rain, and it has turned the Giga Berlin into a dust field. So no complaining and glory to God for all things. Hello everyone, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another news update from Tesla Giga Berlin. I'm about to show you 3 excellent video footages from the Giga Berlin. But first I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for daily Giga Berlin news updates. Also, please like this video to show your appreciation to all the people that, like Jürgen, who have brought us these videos. Our friends work very hard in Grünheide to bring these video updates for our subscribers. Here are those videos, and we'll see you tomorrow with another Giga Berlin update. I hope you like these videos. I hope you found them interesting. You see how much it has changed. I don't remember when was the time when they started working on the Giga Berlin construction site. Was that early January? The announcement of Gigafactory 4 came in December or November of 2019. I don't remember now what exactly month, because so much has changed since then. But then the work actually started, I believe, in early January or maybe late December, but very quickly. And this was all a planted forest. There were many difficulties, protests, the planted forest itself to clean up, and then the politics involved, the rate paves, and then now this virus issue, and then plus also the bombs, the ordinances, unexploded ordinances from Second World War. But now when you look at these videos, you see how much work has been done since then. In the past 2.5 months, 2.5 months, how much work has been done. This is amazing. I think Tesla has done a great job. You saw just from this footage just how much the area was nicely cleaned, the leveling started. You know, in 2 days we were expecting that big meeting in Erkner on March 18, but you know, as I reported last week, it was cancelled in the city hall, where people's concerns and people's concerns and questions about the Giga Berlin, the Tesla Gigafactory 4 were going to be addressed by the government, and the Tesla representatives were supposed to be there, but you know, because of this ongoing thing, the virus, it was cancelled. But Tesla and actually the local mayor in Grünheide said that the work is going to be progressing well, and that and we see work is actively progressing. We just have to wait for another few weeks until things calm down, and a date for this meeting is set again, and that we can see the nice groundbreaking ceremony to see how things are going to progress. And you know that Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has said definitely about his attendance of the groundbreaking. But now you never know, this life changes daily so fast, so quick, that what we were thinking yesterday is not possible today because of changes in governments and changes in social life. So we'll just have to keep an eye on this thing and wait and see. But I'm glad to see that progress is going well with the Gigafactory 4, that people are working and feeding their families. So let's keep an eye on these things and stay healthy, stay well, and please support our channel and share our videos, which are not visibly, graphically very beautiful, but I'm trying to bring you the latest updates and helpful information. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and ring the bell when you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed rest of the day.